In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-admit participants on Google Meet, allowing them to join without needing permission. This process is quite straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, so you'll quickly have your meetings running more smoothly without the constant need to manually admit each participant. Let's get started. First, it's important to note that this method works best if you're using a personal Google account. In this case, you can leverage a browser extension to automatically handle the admittance for you. This is particularly useful in larger meetings where individual admittance requests could disrupt the flow of the event. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can get there by typing in chromewebstore.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've arrived at the Chrome Web Store, you'll need to use the search function to find the right tool for our needs. At the top of the page, there is a search box. Go ahead and click on that and type in Auto Admit for Google Meet. This tool is specifically designed to automate the process of admitting participants into your Google Meet sessions, saving you from the repetitive task of constantly clicking Admit. After typing the name of the extension, press Enter and you'll see a list of search results. Look for the extension called Auto Admit for Google Meet. When you find it, you should see an option to add it to your Chrome browser. To proceed, click the Add to Chrome button on the right side of the extension's entry. A confirmation dialog might appear asking you if you indeed want to install this extension. Confirm to proceed with the installation. Once the extension is installed, it will automatically become part of your browser's functionality. This means that whenever you host a Google Meet session and someone requests to join, the extension will take charge and automatically click Admit on your behalf, allowing the participant to enter seamlessly. Now let me give you a few additional tips. While this extension automates the process of admitting participants and adds convenience, it's crucial to maintain awareness of security. Ensure the participants you are automatically admitting are expected and known to you, particularly if you're sharing sensitive information in the meeting. By taking these precautions, you can maintain a secure environment while also benefiting from the efficiency this extension provides. That's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've set up a system that can streamline your Google Meet experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this method helpful for your future meetings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help.